Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to show you my completed diamond painting angel from Diamond Dots. This kit was purchased from Michael's, but unfortunately it was not available in the physical store and I had to order it online along with a few other kits. This is a full round drill diamond painting kit. The size is 30 by 30 centimeters, so 12 by 12 inches, and this kit contained 11 colors. All the colors are plastic resins except of one. One color was AB diamonds, precisely the white one. But I did a few enhancements to this kit. I added crystal accents, as you have already noticed, specifically the yellow crystals to the design on the angel's robe. Although I should have noted that this angel actually came with one special shape drill, so to say. This is this golden color, like metallic golden, and white AB. That's it. So I added up also yellow crystals, the light one and the darker one. Here they are on your screens, this sparkler and this color. I also replaced one resin color with AB, precisely the gray one. That color was also supposed to be a regular resin, but I thought that with ABs it would look better. And I also replaced blue resins with the sparklers over here, also just to show the illumination. And I actually like how it turned out. It is really very sparkly. Look at the vibrant sparkle. And I'm sorry for the cracking sound of my floor. It is really very hot and the floor is getting dry. That's why it makes the sounds. In any case, I'm in the rapture over this angel. I really like how it turned out. Most likely I will give it away as a gift as soon as I frame it. And the price of this kit was around $20. I bought it on sale, I think, for $18. The company name is Diamond Dots, and as always they have a superb quality of everything, starting from the canvas and ending for the drills. And just very quickly, I wanted to show you my daughter's diamond painting, Mignon. Here it is. What we did, we replaced resin drills, which this diamond painting came with. It also had 10 colors. We replaced resin drills with sparklers here on the glasses, and we also replaced white with AB diamonds, and we also added crystal accents on his eyes. That's how it looks. It was all supposed to be diamond painted with resin drills only. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will leave the link to this kit in the description box below if it is still available. But I saw it also in Michael's, I saw it in Joann, in different stores. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.